In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Wixblog app in the standard Wix editor. To get started, open your target website workspace layout in Google Chrome and make sure you are inside the standard Wix editor. This is important because the layout and available tools can vary depending on which editor version you're using. Once the editor has fully loaded, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct site and that the left side toolbar is visible, since that's where you'll access the feature you need. Next, move your attention to the vertical utility bar on the left side of the editor. This sidebar contains the main tools for building and customizing your website, including design elements, pages, media, and apps. What you're looking for here is the Apps Store shortcut icon. It appears as one of the icon blocks in that left side menu, and selecting it will open the marketplace where you can add extra functionality to your site. Go ahead and click that Apps Store menu shortcut. After it opens, you'll see a search field that helps you quickly locate specific tools without manually browsing through categories. This is especially useful if you already know which app you want to install, because it saves time and makes the process much more direct. In the search field, type Wixblog. As you enter the name, matching results should begin to appear. Look for the official app tool card for Wixblog and make sure you choose the official option rather than anything similarly named. Selecting the correct app is important because the official Wixblog tool is designed to integrate properly with your website and provide the built-in blogging features Wix supports. Once you click the official Wixblog app card, you'll be taken to the app's details view, where you can continue with the setup from there. If the search results take a moment to load, just wait briefly and avoid clicking multiple times, since the editor can sometimes lag slightly depending on your browser performance or connection speed. And that's it for this part of the process. You've successfully navigated to the Wix app market from the standard Wix editor and located the official Wixblog app, which is the key first step in adding a blog to your site.